What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing another card force. This one's one of the first ones I've learned. It's pretty easy to do. It's not my favorite. If you've never been to the channel before, go ahead, go down there, press the subscribe button, hit the little bell next to it to get instantly notified whenever a new video is uploaded. Let's get right into it. I ask you to tell me to stop anywhere. You say stop here. I say, okay, you stopped at this card here. Let's go ahead and look at that. And without seeing the card, I can tell you that you stopped at the King of Spades, right? Now, this one is pretty easy to do. It's got a little sleight to it. It's kind of fun. So let me show you how that's done. First, you hold the deck in your right hand or left hand, depending on how you would like to do it. Just reverse the directions. But you hold the deck in your right hand. You put your index finger up under the deck, curled like that. Thumb on the edge, top corner edge of the cards. And your three fingers on this side with two of them hanging up over the top. And then you riffle down until they say stop. And when they say stop, you reach in with your left hand and grab that top packet of cards. Hold pressure on the top card here with your pinky and ring finger of your right hand, and pull that top card off and let it fall into the middle of the pack, kind of like that. So where they stopped at, you now have the King of Spades. I'll go through that one more time real quick. You hold the deck in your left hand, finger curled underneath, thumb against the top corner, your right hand fingers on the back of the top card here, your pinky and ring finger, your middle finger's just kind of sitting on the pack. You ruffle down until they say stop. When they do, you reach in with your left hand, trying not to grab the top card with your fingers over here. And when you pull the top pack away, you slide the top card off and into the middle, and they have now selected your card that you wanted them to select, the King of Spades. And that's how this card force goes. It's a nice one. So if you liked the video, drop a like, maybe share the video, come back, watch the next video.